development. So, we're just looking for a candidate that will help us to be able to upsell for Facebook services. Si Sir Casey naman ang owner, alam niya naman mag-Facebook ads, but he's been, you know, real busy with managing client stuff, and, you know, a lot of the agency work is being done with more on local SEO and Google Ads. So we're looking for a candidate that ideally has experience with contractor marketing, usually lead generation for local businesses. So the way we do marketing is we only stick to one client per like major area. So in a port, let's say sa isang city let's say sa Jacksonville, Florida, if a client we work with is nasa city na yan, in a 40-mile radius sa area na yan, is we're only gonna work with that client, and we make sure na we don't, make any conflicts na kapag mag-take kami ng clients. So usually we also reject people that are interested in our services, if we know we already have someone there in that area. So mostly anything related to Facebook ads will be more with local lead gen for local businesses. The main conversion goals is to get them calls, book for quotations, big quotes. But yeah, I'm interested to get to know about yourself and your experience. So how did you get started with Facebook ads? Can you share me a little bit about your experience and all that?
Alright, sir. Pwedeng Tagalog, sir.
No worries. Okay lang.
Yun, sir. I discovered Facebook ads way back 2021 and during pandemic po, and yun, mga products po yung mga karaniwan na ina-advertise po namin, and kalaunan po nag-freelancing po ako. Na-handle ko po is travel and tours agency. Yes, sir. More on high ticket niche, and high ticket sila, and yung mga e-commerce, local e-commerce, sir. Yun lang.
Okay.
I also handled lead generation, sir, locally.
Local leads.
Yes, sir.
So you experience, like, have you worked with clients na home service based or service based na businesses, or lead generation sa mga service based business?
Not yet, sir.
Aside from okay.
Yung dun po sa sa travel and tours agency, nag-run po ako ng lead generation nila for business to business nila po, sir.
Okay.
Yes po.
Business to business. You have any experience with B2C?
B2C,
Consumer lang.
business to
Because
consumer.
most for contractors is like, contractors are looking for people that are interested in getting a roof replacement, getting a roof repair. So ang main goal natin as a marketing agency is to push leads na gusto magpa-get ng project like for roof repairs. Usually kasi sa roof repairs, the actual pricing for an average like roof repair can vary to $4 to $10K. So the goal for lead generation, we're not looking at the quantity, but we're looking for quality. Yun yung main goal natin sa clients natin.
Yes,
Some
sir.
clients just get like 5 calls a month, but they're making a lot more. You mentioned that you handled high ticket, like,
Yes, sir.
what's the niche experience mo?
The
High ticket.
yung niche po is yung travel agency, sir. Usually ano po, kasi package po kasi yung ino-offer ng travel agency na yan. Yun
Or
po,
mga
sir.
excursions or mga tour packages, ganun ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
For
Okay, so
for lead generation, tinarget po namin yung mga big companies for their team building, sir. Tinatarget po nila namin para madaming packs po yung i-avail nila. Yun po, sir. Yun mga high ticket namin. Usually mga 7 digits po yung mga prices na ina-avail ng mga leads po namin.
So just to get a better idea for your experience and skills, can you like walk me through your how you approach from start to finish when you're doing Facebook ads? Na,
Um,
don't you don't need to go to the full detail, just the overview, just so that I can get an idea kung ano ba yung
alright, sir.
how do you think and how you approach marketing.
First, sir,
Go ahead.
ino-audit ko po muna yung mga mga accounts ng client, and kung may data na makukuha po doon, pwede pong gamitin for retargeting, and also yung mga data nila na na-convert na po nila, yung mga pwede pong gawan ng lookalike audience, and then makikipag-coordinate po ako sa creative team po nila, makikipag-collaborate ako para i-suggest ko yung magandang pag-usapan po namin yung magandang approach depende sa market audience ng specific niche na yon. And then yun, sir, yun na po yung isa-set upan ko ng ads. Gagawa ko ng top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel, sir, so that we can filter out malalaman kung ano yung audience, sir. Sorry, sir, narinig niyo po ba yung
Medyo medyo na-pick up din siya. Sige lang.
sorry, sir.
Okay, so
Yun lang po, sir.
sige. So, I wanna ask what tools and software do you usually use?
I usually use Facebook Ads Manager, sir, and also Botcake, and then Pancake.
Okay. Have you ever tried Go High Level? Software?
Actually, sir, hindi ko pa na try gumamit ng Go High Level, pero I'm willing to learn, sir.
Okay. Okay, I appreciate your honesty. So, okay, we do have a creative team as well sa department namin, but right now they are mostly working on the web department. For full disclosure, most of the team din is mga Filipino freelancers. We don't really, good thing about sa client ni Casey is it's not really strict working hours. So, you know, the client, si Casey, based siya sa Central Time sa Alabama, but usually most of the team actually works in Philippine time, or it really depends on when you work. But I just wanted to ask, like, are you comfortable with like doing basic edits with graphics? You're using Canva. We're not gonna be creating the full font templates. Right now, what we're planning for the creatives is we're gonna have people that are on our team to create like ad creatives na more on templates, and we have like a library sa Canva na mga different ad creatives that work sa mga previous marketing campaigns namin for Facebook ads. We did take Facebook ads before, since my Facebook ad specialist came before. The only issue with our previous ad specialist is communication, like just very hard to communicate, and he's, you know, one thing that we want for our candidate at least is someone that's actually active in communication. You know, we don't expect you to reply in 2 a.m. in the middle of the night if it's paid, but you know, ideally at least time na mag-communicate is usually mga 9 to 6 p.m. usually, kasi dyan na yung time na mag-meeting din minsan sa KKC. So, you know, just wanted to ask if you're comfortable with doing that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely. I'm comfortable.
Okay. So this is for a full-time position, 14 hours per week. So work schedule, work flexibility. One thing yung never namin gagawin is like the management. And if we do decide to hire someone, we give the full trust na mag-work sila na with the flexibility. Pero at the same time, we're also expecting the same professionalism from you, with your work ethics that are solid, and we do set like realistic quotas and like just tasks in terms of workload. But if there are cases that you feel like parang na-overtask ka, like again, I mentioned earlier, communication is like the most important part
Yes, sir.
since
Yes, sir. Absolutely,
para
sir.
malaman din namin yung capacity kasi one thing na very important. So are you working with anyone right now or you have any, okay, so
I don't have any, sir. I'm if ever I'm hired, sir, I will be focusing on the business, sir, on the company. And I will take it as my own, sir. Kasi alam ko po yung feeling ng nag nag-i-spend po ng budget sa marketing budget, sir. Kasi na-try ko na din po mag-run ng ads sa sarili kong business way back po, sir.
anong klaseng business ni run mo before?
Yun, sir, online selling, sir. Mga trend products.
Yun yung ano mo sa portfolio.
Yes, sir.
Sinecheck mo sa
Yes po,
portfolio
sir.
mo din. Okay. Okay. I think so far you have some solid skills. Give me time till next week para mag-set up ng I'll probably get with a call with PC muna to sort out like the different candidates. If may mga portfolio kang iba or also your resume, can you forward that to me to my email para go through lang namin PC pare.
Alright po, sir.
So if you have anything that you want to also showcase or feature para lang namin ka-idea din kami, you can just attach that and I'll also coordinate with PC to look through. But I think so far I know that you're versed with Facebook ads, which is great.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You do have an enthusiasm to learn. It's okay din.
Yes,
Kasi
sir.
alam mo din, nag-start ako ng pag-PE before. I literally had no experience in starting with marketing before, and I gotten a chance to work with a digital marketing agency before sa local area namin, and it all went from there. Eventually become just a PE na lang din. So one thing na alam ko kay sir is we just want people that has potential or
Yes,
not
sir.
strictly lang sa experience.
Yes, sir.
But once na, let's say, if you do move to the next phase next week, I will update you like Monday or Tuesday, but I'll set up a call with me, you, and PC. And si Casey ang mag-ask more for like technical questions
Alright,
since
sir.
he's more versed with Facebook ads. So, you just expect like some questions here
Yes,
and
sir.
there. But yeah, just send me any other details you have, like resumes and portfolios, and it's nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
So, yung mga
Thank you,
tanong
sir.
papayag ko sa akin before time I add something.
Yun, sir, ako po ay willing, magaling po ako makipag-communicate. Pag may kulang, sir, sinasabi ko po agad. Pag may kailangan ako, sinasabi ko agad. And yun, sir, yung mga kailangan sa business para sa Facebook ads, mga creatives, sasuggest po ako para sa ikakabuti ng company, sir, at para mas maging efficient at effective yung results ng Facebook ads po. Yun lang, sir. Thank you, sir. Pasensya na po sa mga ingay,
Okay
sir.
lang. Okay lang, Ron.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for taking the time.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Yay!